everyone, this is Afripik Tourism, and this is the highlight of our tour to the land of promise, Akwa Ibom State. Our first stop was at Godswill Akpabio International Stadium, which is located in Iyo, the capital of Akwa Ibom. The stadium is a 30,000-seater multi-purpose sports complex, which was modeled after Allianz Arena, the stadium of Bayern Munich football. We were lucky to meet an ongoing friendly match between Rivers United and Abia Warriors. And after the match, we headed for Ibom. We lodged in a hotel close to our next stop, Ibeno Beach, which is the largest sand beach in West. Ibeno Beach is located in Ibom, a local government area in Akwa Ibom. When we got to the beach, the sun had almost set, but that did not stop us from having fun at the beach. The next day, we made our way to Ibom Icon Hotel and Golf Resort, the iconic 5-star resort in this state.
I'm unavailable. They know they see me. I'm unavailable. They know they see me. I'm unavailable. They know they see me. I'm unavailable. They know they see me.
This resort was established in the year 2007 as the first major tourism facility in the state. The resort is situated amidst rich palm forest vegetation, and it occupies 174 hectares of land, which connotes peace and serenity, complemented by its original atmosphere. It is indeed a beautiful place and a chill spot to get the edge of. After a brief tour around some places in the resort, we stopped by the marina to relax and play some games before heading back to the remaining part of the tour.
Come see me shining, got too many birds on my IG, changing my life. I'm a mama proud.
That's all for now. Don't forget to visit these places and tell us your experience whenever you come to Akwa Ibom, the land of promise. Goodbye.